Hi friends, we meet again on the Chill on Chip podcast. Okay guys, in our episode this time I accompany these beautiful and handsome nursing students. Before I introduce myself, my name is Trisalva. Okay, here I want to chat with them about their experience when learning English. Well, since they are already in our podcast studio this time. Our guest stars are Clarissa and Rooney. Halo Runi, halo Clarissa.
Hi.
Let's have a little conversation about learning experience. In my opinions, the benefits of English are very important to learn because English is an international language. So what do you think are the benefits of English? Runi?
In my opinion, the benefits of English are significant and influential in our lives. There are four points of benefits of English. The first, by mastering English, I can watch films without subtitles. Secondly, improve communication skills. We can communicate with more people around the world. If you master English, then communicating will be easy and meeting people from abroad. And thirdly, makes travel easier. For example, on holiday abroad, we can more easily communicate and interact with people in that country while traveling. And lastly, open career opportunities. Many international companies require employees with English language skills. Mastering this language can increase one's chance of getting a better job and career. All these benefits make me believe that English is a very valuable skill to have.
Oh Rooney, it turns out that English has so many benefits. Do you like and are you interested in English and science? When did you like it?
Yes, I like and I'm interested in English. This interest started when I was in middle school. At the time, I was taught storytelling, introducing myself using English and learning vocabulary. But I started to like and become interested in English more seriously, which emerged when I was now sitting in college because I realized how important English is in various aspects of life, and in turn out it is very important for the future from education to work. One of my interests in learning English arose because I want to be able to communicate with people from various countries, including the country I want to visit, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I want to work as a nurse in a hospital in Saudi Arabia, and that was one of my dreams.
Wow, you are really great, Rooney. Hopefully, after you graduate, you can work at this Saudi Arabian hospital. Clarissa, how long have you been studying English? Is it self-taught or tutoring?
I was 9 or 10 years old when I started learning English. To be honest, I didn't really like the English. Every time I attended English class, I would often daydream or pay attention instead of paying attention. Learning new vocab or grammar so felt difficult at the time.
Oh, so you started learning English from a young age?
Yeah, but 2 years ago I start to learn English again before the basic. I'm studied with Mr. D, who has been incredible, helpful through the learning process. With his guidance, I found it much easier to understanding things that had seemed difficult before. Slowly but surely, I started gaining confidence. What once felt like burden now became something I truly enjoy.
2 years ago, you decided to start again from the basics.
Yes.
This sounds like a great decision. Learning with Mr. D
Yeah.
seems to have really helped you learning process.
Yeah.
Clarissa, in your opinion, what is the influence of learning English for the future?
English is international language communication all over the world. By mastering it, we can access a wider range of information, such as a book, journal, and online course. English is the dominant language in the workplace. Many large companies, both locally and internationally, require employers who are fluent in English with this skill. We can more easily secure better and paying jobs because money is everything.
That's true. English really offers so many opportunities, especially when it comes to work. It's not just about communication, but about accessing knowledge and career prospects.
Exactly, and with the global companies, being fluent in English is almost a must. It gives you a competitive edge.
I completely agree. Learning English can truly make a big difference in the future. Thank you for sharing experience learning English. See you next time. Bye.
Bye. See you next time.
The next guest star is Dea and Alma. Hello. Hi.
I'm Dea.
Hello.
I'm
Hi.
Alma.
How are you there, Alma?
Oh, I'm good. I'm fine. And you?
I'm good, Alhamdulillah. Okay, uh, let's have a little conversation about learning experience.
Yeah.
Yes.
Of course. Of course.
Okay, Dea, before that, I have studied English. In my opinion, English is quite difficult with its vocabulary, and it is more challenging, right?
Yeah.
So, what do you think about your experience in learning English?
Okay. So I answer this while looking at the camera or not?
Yes, you can look at the camera.
Okay. Thanks for having me. I started learning English in school, like most people. At first, it was all about vocabulary and simple sentence, but grammar was the biggest challenge for me.
Oh, grammar can definitely be tricky. How did you did with it?
Well, I used to make a lot of mistakes, especially with tenses and prepositions. To improve, I practiced it a lot by writing short paragraphs and speaking as much as I could. Watching English movies and reading books helped too.
That's great advice. Did you ever feel nervous about speaking, especially with native speakers?
Definitely. At first, I was so afraid of making mistakes, but I realized that mistakes are part of the learning process. Native speakers are usually very understanding, so I just kept practicing.
Okay, next, Dea. You will definitely work abroad, yes?
Yeah.
Uh, you will definitely have a sharp question. So, how do you think English can help in survey?
Okay, English is very important in healthcare, especially when working abroad. It helps us communicate effectively with patients, doctors, and other healthcare professionals. For example, we need to understand patient symptoms, explain medical procedures, and provide clear instructions. Using proper English ensures that there's no misunderstanding, which is crucial for patient safety and quality care. It also helps build trust and makes patients feel more comfortable. So, mastering English is definitely essential for providing the best service.
Why? Why is English important in Indonesia?
English is also important in Indonesia, especially in the healthcare field because it helps you keep up with global medical advancements. Many medical journals, research studies, and training materials are written in English. So, understanding the language allows healthcare professionals to stay updated with the latest knowledge and technologies.
Alma, in my opinions, English is an extraordinary challenge to be able to speak English. What do you think are the challenges of learning English?
Indeed, learning English can be a big challenge, especially for people who are not familiar with foreign language. One of the main challenge is grammar, which is different from Indonesian. Many people find it difficult with different sentence structure and the use of tenses. For example, in addition, the extensive vocabulary and pronunciation of English words can also be a big challenge.
Okay, Alma, it's true that in English there are many words that are spelled similarly. Sometimes the some word has a different meaning. Okay, Alma, next, in your opinion, as a prospective nurse, is learning English important?
As a prospective nurse, I think that learning English is very important because English is international language used in the medical world. Many of the latest literature, journals, and research in the world of healthcare are published in English. So, if a nurse does not master English, it will be difficult to keep up with the development of science and technology. In the medical field, moreover, international hospital or healthcare facility, we often interact with patients or medical personnel from different countries. Therefore, English proficiency help nurses to communicate more effectively, ensure proper understanding, and provide better service. So, English language skill not only extends your career,
but also the quality of care you provide to your patient.
Hey Alma, thank you. See you next time. Bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you,
Thank
Wawa.
you.
Okay. Okay. Next guest star is Rijal.
Hello.
Hello.
I am Rijal.
Okay. How are you, Rijal?
I'm a good.
Okay, Rijal. What are the advantages in the nursing while regarding learning English?
Comfortable and have a better understanding of their needs, combination with international fantasy, and case to medical knowledge, collaboration with international health team.
Rijal really has the advantage of learning English to be comfortable and easy to interact with foreigners.
English language training is essential and should be given more attention in the nursing context.
Okay, Rijal, thank you. See you next time.
Bye bye.
Okay, thank you very much for taking the time to attend the Chill and Cheap podcast. How are you willing to share really cool experience happily or chat in this episode will be impactful for anyone who listen to it. Thank you for listening to our podcast in this episode. Don't forget to also listen to previous episode because our names always change and the chat change. Carefree with anyone so that will be more enthusiastic and continue to be enthusiastic about producing the next podcast. Don't forget that those who listen to our podcast can also share our podcast on your social and bye.